If your vehicle uses push-button wiper blades, also known as top lock wiper blades, replacing them is quick and only takes a minute. I'm working on a 2016 GLE, but this fits most Mercedes from the mid-2010s and newer, so there's a really good chance this will work for yours. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield. Locate the small release button on the top of the wiper blade adapter where it connects to the wiper arm. Press and hold the release button while sliding the wiper blade downward toward the base of the wiper arm. Once it clears the locking tab, the blade will slide completely off. Be careful not to let the bare metal wiper arm snap back or rub against the glass, as it can crack or scratch the windshield. Take your new replacement blade and remove the pre-attached adapter by rotating it upside down, pinching the clips on both sides of the blade, and pulling the adapter straight off. Next, make sure the new adapter matches the push button connection on your vehicle. We're using what's called the 3H2 adapter, and it simply snaps into place on the long base adapter. Rotate the blade upright and lock both of these parts by simply snapping them into place. Make sure to fold these wings into place so that they are locked at the front of the adapter. Align the opening in the adapter with the end of the wiper arm and slide the blade upward until it clicks securely into place. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm that it's locked. Slowly lower the wiper blade back onto the windshield and repeat the process on the opposite side. Keep in mind that the driver and passenger blades are often different lengths, so make sure you're putting each one in the correct location. And that's it. Your new push-button wiper blades are installed and ready to provide a clear, streak-free view the next time you drive. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.